Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix weather data not updating on your AMAZFIT Active Max. So first, what you guys want to do is go over and open up the SEP app on your device. Now, what you guys want to do is after everything loads up, you just pull down here in the home page to sync the data. So this is the original method from the SEP and the AMAZFIT. Now, as you guys could see, there was a check mark, so that means our data is successfully synced. Now we want to go over to device, and then whenever we go into the weather, we want to make sure that we do not see any notifications here to enable the background location access. If you see that, click on enable and then it will be enabled and you will not see it anymore. Here you can add your location, so if it's not pulling your correct location, you can add it right here by clicking add location and entering your city. And after that, what you guys can do is go over to settings, and here in the settings go over and scroll down to apps for an example. So this might be different for every phone, but just you need to find the SEP app, so it's always at the bottom. Now here, and go to battery usage and make sure that you allow the app to have the background activity, so there's no restrictions for this app. Now that's it, your location for the weather data is fixed. Everything should work. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.